Which mice repellent plug is actually effective? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, C-Vetane Ultrasonic Plug-in Repellent. Let's kick things off with the C-Vetane upgraded ultrasonic pest repellent. Priced at $33.99, this one really caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 10,000 units sold just last month. If you want a chemical-free way to keep pests at bay, this is worth a serious look. Operating between 10 kHz and 65 kHz, the sound is inaudible to humans but drives pests away. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means a pest-free environment without worrying about harmful chemicals or messy traps. With a coverage area of up to 1,600 square feet, it's designed for various spaces like kitchens and garages. Now, some people complained about the noise in red mode being too uncomfortable for pets and humans. Here's the thing though, it's only meant for when no one is home. If you can plan around that, the benefits outweigh this issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an eco-friendly pest solution without the hassle of sprays. Skip this one if you have pets that are sensitive to noise and you can't avoid using that mode. Alright, if the noise issue with the C-Vetane bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, C-Vetane Black Ultrasonic Device. Next up is another C-Vetane model, the Black Ultrasonic Pest Repellent. Also priced at $33.99, it shares many features with the previous model but in a sleek black design. If you want a stylish repellent without compromising on effectiveness, check this out. It operates silently, making it a great choice for bedrooms and living spaces. With the same 1,600 square feet coverage, you can easily protect most areas of your home. The 4.5-star rating from over 600 reviews shows that many users are satisfied. Some users reported needing multiple units for larger spaces for optimal effectiveness. But honestly, that's not uncommon for any pest repellent. This is perfect for you if you want an effective and stylish option for pest control. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option since you might need to buy multiple units. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 3, C-Vetane 10-Pack Ultrasonic Repeller. Now let's talk about the C-Vetane Ultrasonic Pest Repellent in a 10-pack for $49.99. This deal really caught my eye because if you're serious about pest control, having multiple units can be a game changer. If you want a thorough approach to pest prevention, this is a fantastic choice. What makes this pack stand out is the same advanced ultrasonic technology, but in greater quantity. Each unit still covers 1,600 square feet, ensuring that larger homes can be well protected. The 3-mode settings allow for customization, so you can adjust depending on what pest you're dealing with. Given its popularity with over 1,000 sales last month, it's clear this product is doing something right. A few users mentioned that the units didn't seem to work as quickly as they'd hoped. Here's the thing, it often takes 2-3 weeks to see a noticeable decrease in pests, so patience is key. If you're not willing to wait, this may not be for you. This is perfect for you if you have a large home or multiple rooms to cover. Skip this if you want immediate results, as it may take a little time to kick in. Now, if needing time for results was a concern for you, the next product might address that faster. Product number 4, Neatmaster Ultrasonic Repeller. Next, we have the Neatmaster Ultrasonic Repeller, which comes in at a very reasonable $19.99. This caught my attention because it's one of the more affordable options out there, making it great for those on a budget. If you want to keep your home pest-free without breaking the bank, this one's worth a look. It covers up to 1,200 square feet, making it suitable for most average-sized rooms. Most users start noticing results within 2-4 weeks, which is pretty standard in the industry. The energy efficiency is a big plus too, consuming only 3.5 watts, so you won't see a spike in your electricity bill. However, some buyers mention that it can take longer to see results than expected. Honestly, if you're looking for something quick, this might frustrate you. But if you're okay with waiting it out a bit, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, low-maintenance pest control solution. Skip this if you're looking for immediate relief from pests, as it may take time to work. Now, if you're really serious about pest control and need something more robust, let's check out the last option. Product number 5, Virine Ultrasonic Mice Repellent. Last but certainly not least is the Virine Mice Repellent plugin, priced at $39.99. This one is interesting because it offers a unique 4-function switch, allowing for different pest control strategies. If you want a versatile option that can tackle various pests effectively, this could be the one for you. It covers up to 1,076 square feet, so while it's slightly less than some others, it still gets the job done in many spaces. The 4 functions allow you to switch between ultrasonic sound and pressure waves, which can be particularly useful for more aggressive infestations. The feedback from users has been generally positive, with a solid 4-star rating from 1,800 reviews. Here's the thing though, no product works perfectly for every situation, so some trial and error might be necessary. If you're willing to experiment a bit, it can really pay off. This is perfect for you if you need a flexible pest control solution that adapts to different pests. Skip this if you want a set-it-and-forget-it type of solution, as you might need to adjust settings based on your situation. So to wrap things up, the CVtane Ultrasonic plugin is great for eco-friendly options. The black CVtane is stylish but similar. The 10-pack of CVtane offers excellent value for larger spaces. The Neatmaster is your budget-friendly choice, and the Virine adds versatility with its 4-function switch. Each has its pros and cons, but one of these should definitely help you tackle that mice problem.